Welcome to Frequency Code. Everything is a reflection of your inner frequency. What are you made of? Go deep beyond your cells to pure energy and motion. This leads us to the quark, the smallest particle known to science, constantly vibrating. Atoms, mostly empty space, are energy vibrating within a void. Everything you touch, everything you see, it's energy and frequency. Atoms form molecules, molecules form cells, and billions of cells form you. You are a living energy field with your own unique frequency. Science and spiritual traditions agree. Everything is connected. The question is, what is the frequency of your life right now? We explore these connections at Frequency Code. When you raise your frequency, your life responds. Welcome to Frequency Code. The journey starts now. If this resonated, please subscribe, like, and share. Let's expand this frequency together.